Hello everyone. Today I am telling about the project Agnogram. Agnogram is a social networking project for college students. The main objective of this project is to develop for college students to interact with their faculties. This helps college administrator to track all the activities of the college. This project has all the features of the social network, but to the particular college staff and students only. Admin has full authority of the website to manage students and faculties. In homepage we can see latest news, by clicking on which we can see the news in details. In events panel we can see the various events of the college. Related posts can also be viewed. Under news and updates, the news and updates of the college is updated. We can also see who has posted it at what time. Under meetings, all the meetings to be held in college will be updated. Quiz result panel shows the recent quiz winners. In About, we can find the information about the college, that is, the motto of the college, the message from the principal. Under Contact Us, the contact information of the college is available. We also have Student Registration Panel, Student Login Panel, Staff Login Panel and Forgot Password panel. Let us log in as admin. That is by adding the login ID and password. As the admin logs in, dashboard is available which contains all the number of records present in the database. Under profile, admin can update their profile. Admin can also change their password by mentioning old password, new password and the confirm password. Admin can add the users, that is the staffs of the college, by entering the user type either as admin or as staff. Then mentioning the staff name, login ID, password and the confirm password. All the added users can be viewed under View User. The image of the user can only be added by the user itself. Admin also has the action edit and delete. Admin can also add the student profile. That is by adding the student name, roll number, course and semester. Only the students registered by the admin can log in. We can view the students here, that is only the students who have not registered. Once the student registers, it can be viewed under View Students. Here all the students who have registered to the portal can be viewed. Admin also has the action to delete. Under Monitor in Timeline Records, admin can view the posts that has been done by the students. It can be text, image or video. Admin also has the action to delete. Under Settings, admin can add the course available in their college. That is by mentioning the course type and course description. All the added courses can be viewed. Admin also has the action edit and delete. Admin can add the subject for the respective courses by selecting the course and then selecting the semester and then the name of the subject, and can also include note. All the subjects can be viewed under View Subject. It can also be edited or deleted. There is also a search button to view the subjects. Under Discussion, admin can view various discussions done by the students and the staffs. Admin also has the action delete. Under Study Material, admin can view the study materials and they can also download the study materials. They also has the action delete. Under Quiz, admin can view quiz which has been posted by various staffs. Admin can also view the questions added by the staffs. They also has the action to delete it. Under View Result, admin can view the results of the students. In Add Notice, admin can add the notices. It can be events, meetings or news and updates. That is by mentioning the notice type, title and description. The notices added can be viewed by the public in home page. Admin can view the notice under view notice. They also has the action to edit and delete. As the admin logs out, the control is redirected to the home page. Now let us see the staff login panel. Staff can log in by adding login ID and password. As the staff logs in, dashboard is available which contains the number of records present in the database. Staff can update their profile and staff can add their profile image. But they cannot change their login ID. Staff can also change their password by mentioning old password, new password and confirm password. Staff can add the notice that can be meetings, events and news and updates. They can also view the notice. They also have the action to edit or delete the notice. Under monitor, staff can view the students. They can view the students according to their semester, but staff doesn't have the action to delete the students. Under timeline records, staff can view the timeline records, that is, the post that has been posted by the students. It can be a text, it can be an image or a video. Under discussion, by selecting the course and the semester, staff can view the various discussions that is being done by the students. They can see who has posted the discussion. They can also see the replies from various staffs and other students. And the staff can also reply to the discussion. They can reply either by a text or by the attachment. Under study material, staff can upload study material by mentioning the course, semester, subject, title and the description, and also the uploads. Once the study material is published, it can be viewed under View Study Material. Staff can also view the study materials uploaded by various other staffs. They can also download. They also has the action to edit and delete. Under quiz, staff can add quiz. That is by mentioning the course name, semester, subject, title and description. Staff can view the quiz under View Quiz. They can also add the questions to the quiz added by various other staffs. The questions can be added by mentioning the question and the 4 option and 1 correct answer. Under View Quiz, the added questions can be viewed by selecting View Question. Staff can also edit or delete the questions that is being added. Under View Result, staff can view the quiz results of the students. Once the staff logs out, the control is redirected to the home page. Now let us register the student registration panel. Student can register by adding student name, course, semester, roll number. Here only the students who has been added by the admin can only register. Password, confirm password, profile image. And also the email ID and the mobile number. Once the students register successfully, they can log in student login panel. That is by entering the roll number and the password. As a student logs in, timeline is available, which includes various posts that has been done by the students. The student can post a text or the image or the videos. All the other registered students can view this post that has been posted by the students. They can even like or comment to the post of other students. They can also view the text post, image post and video post. Video can be played under full screen also. Under group chat, student can chat with their friends by selecting the course and the semester. Student can enter emojis in group chats. They can also see the last scenes of the other students. Students can also do a personal chat to their friends by selecting the name of their friend and entering the personal message. Under discussion, student can add a new discussion, that is by entering the subject and the title of the discussion. They must add the description, they can view their descriptions added. They can also view the timings. In view discussion, they can also reply to the discussion of others. Under study materials, students can download the study materials uploaded by various staffs. Under quiz, students can attend the quiz that is available. That is by selecting the options. Once the student finishes the quiz, the result of the quiz is available. Students can also view the quiz results. Once a student attends the quiz, they cannot attend it again. Under profile, students can update their profiles, but they cannot change their roll number and their course. Students can also change their password by entering old password, new password and confirm password. Once a student logs out of the account, the control is redirected to the home page. Let's see the database design of the project Agnogram. It has 16 tables. This is how the structure of the table looks like. And this is how the data is stored. This is all about the project Agnogram. Thank you.